Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. So many of my viewers ask me whether to hold ITC or not. Last week I had recommended ITC for a short-term target of 260 rupees. I believe that there was a meeting on last Tuesday, their first ever investors meet. I expect good outcomes from the meeting. I expect the announcement of demerger date, but on that date they were not published any dates for the demerger plans. But demerger will happen. When the demerger will happen, it is 100% sure that unlocking will happen to that company. But unfortunately, last week, actually there is no bad news. Outcome of the meeting is very good. Even after, according to the market sentiment, the ITC share price comes down. But actually, ITC is not a short-term pick. It is a long-term story. This is my best favorite pick. My number one pick in the market is ITC now. It is a long-term multi-bagger from the large cap space. Actually, if we recommend a multi-bagger stock, at present there will not be any variation. On the basis of the future businesses, one expectation of a good business in future, one expectation revival in this business, we recommended a company as a multi-bagger. And if all our expectation comes true, it became multi-bagger stock. So there is a risk in recommending a multi-bagger stock. But in case of ITC, there is no risk. So ITC is a no risk multi-bagger large cap stock. The ITC is actually laying at the cheaper valuations. Everyone know how big the business of the ITC is. Even the share is laying at a low price because of so many other factors. But everything is okay. I think if you are so patient enough to hold ITC, it will be traded about 1,500 rupees in a period of 1 year. So actually, if you people are worried about a ITC type of shares, I personally believe that you people are not suitable for a stock market. From my experience, only long-term patient investors will get reward from stock market, and reward will not be comparable with any other thing. You will not get such a profit from any other source except from stock market. But you must be a patient investors. Even in the case of ITC, if share price comes to 5%, 10%, you are worried. So this is not a place to invest in. You are not ready or not proper for a stock market. So be patient investor. If you are holding ITC, or if you buy ITC last week, hold the shares. At least you get profit. Don't sell at a loss. And if you are the patient, this is the best share in the stock market now, which can able to give you a multi-bagger return, because so many news are came that FMCG business are very, very strong. So if demerger happens, at least try to buy ITC FMCG. Okay. Then my another share sale. Please don't sell that share with panic. Whatever happen, hold this share. You will go to 160 level. If anyone still don't buy sale, can enter now. You will easily get 50% position from this level. Okay. Today I am going to recommend a company from a good management, from the management of Aditya Birla. The name of the company is AB Capital Limited. Aditya Birla Capital Limited. Actually, Aditya Birla Capital Limited is a holding company of all the financial businesses of the Aditya Birla Group. Okay. It is one of the largest mutual funds in India. It is one of the largest insurance companies in India, and it is one of the top 5 private diversified NBFCs in India. This is the overall picture of the NBFC. Actually, this company is in my radar for the last 6 to 7 months. But recently, I hear some news, so I firmly believe now that it can able to give you 30%, at least a 30% return from this level. That's why I put this video now. The first news I heard is that between 23rd November to 14th December 2021, Birla Group has buy 41 lakh 35,000 shares in the open market. This means the management is so much confidence about their businesses. Okay, first point that. Second, in most of mutual funds have AB capital in their portfolios. Third, FIRs are holding 2.36% in the company. Recently, uh, DIAs also had increased the stakes. From DIAs, LIC is holding 2.13% in the company and promoters are now holding 70.69% in the company. And fourth one, Morgan Stanley 4 months back had upgraded two companies. One is Escorts and other AB Capital. After upgrading, Escorts comes down by 10%, but after some time it goes to 1800 level. AB Capital, I think when it was traded at 126 rupees, this share was upgraded by the Morgan Stanley. Now the share value of the AB Capital 160 rupees. I think they may write upgradation was right. When we consider all these things, the easy target for the AB Capital is 160 rupees. So almost the overall picture of the AB Capital is very good. Not even a single share was pledged by the company. The face value of the share is 10. PE ratio is 20 against the industrial PE of 53. So 200 rupees is a easy achievable target for the AB Capital, and the EPS of 5.56 rupees and book value of 63. Altogether, it is a good picture for the company. In this stage, I personally believe we can consider invest in AB Capital for a target of 160 rupees. This is my long-term bet. I stop recommending short-term because I can't able to predict the movement in first week or second week. So if you hold AB Capital for next 3 months, you will easily get 30% position from this level. Okay. However, this is my personal view about the company. Please consider your own advisor before taking position in the company. If anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos to friends and relatives and like it. Thank you. Thank you very much.